Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Owusu's Kitchen. I hope you had a nice Christmas and a blessed New Year as well. Hopefully 2021 will be a year of restoration, and we are happy to say goodbye to 2020 with its heartache and sorrows. I am hopeful that things will turn better. Anyway, on today's menu, we are making fish soup, which I'm hoping to inspire you to make some. And so for ingredients, I have some homemade salted beef or tolo beef, and this is dry thyme and black pepper, and this is my ultimate herbs and spice blend, which is linked down below. This right here, friends, are smoked catfish fillets, and this is salmon or mackerel, and over here is smoked dry fish, which is beaming with so much flavor. Okay friends, I also have one fresh fish and Koobi salted tilapia, and on the last row are some mushrooms, tomatoes, garden eggs and Scotch Bonnet, 2 large onions, ginger and garlic, as well as tomato puree, and I have here 3 green chilies and of course some fresh okra. What would I do without okra? Right friends, let's start cooking. We will start by boiling some of the vegetables. To that, I will add hot water to speed up the boiling process, and I'm going to drop in 1 large onion as well and cover it to boil. On the other pan, I'm just dropping in the salted beef. It is so easy to make your own at home. Check it out please. And we are going to blend the other onion with the ginger and garlic, but I'm going to take about 4 cubes of ginger with 1 fresh garlic and set aside for now. And to that, I'll add the dry thyme and black pepper and blend it up. Okay my darling, so you would notice that apart from the spice blend, I'm not going to add additional seasoning. This is because the beef contains salt and other herbs and spices, so it is good on its own to steam up. I got this fish from Ghana. My dad actually sent it to me when my friend visited. Bless him. And I've been keeping it in my freezer and using it every now and then. It has been smoked to perfection. It is bone dry, so I'll just snap them into about 4 or 5 sections, and then it is going in there to add that much flavor. Next, we will be going to check on our steaming beef. It is doing so well. It smells amazing. So I'll just go in with some tomato puree. I add my tomato paste at the beginning of my soup because I want to get rid of the sour taste, okay? So I'll stir it up and cover it, and when we come back, it should be thick, nice and concentrated and full of flavor. The beginning of your soup should taste its saltiest, and this has steamed good enough. So I'll go ahead and fill the pot halfway with water for now. And because we are cooking with both salted beef and Koobi, which both contain salt, I will be dropping in my Koobi now. Okay, this is because I want both to release most of their salt into the soup right from the beginning, so that I can adjust my salt and seasoning content as it goes. And our cooked up veggies are ready for a blend as well, okay? But don't forget we have a standby fresh ginger and garlic, so I'll add it as well. Okay, so now the Koobi has been boiling with the beef for a while, and there goes in the other dry fish, okay, together with the mackerel. I actually fry the mackerel in my arty fry. It is so quick. It literally took me like 15 minutes, and it's like it's been smoked in the oven. It's so good. So if you have it, be sure to give it a try, okay? And there goes in the fresh fish. It is going in there to give that contrast, dry fish and fresh fish. That's what this together. Try it. So after tasting it, the salt is actually not bad at all. And I needed a bit more, so I just added some shrimp seasoning powder. And my dear, have you subscribed yet to this channel? If you haven't done so, please do subscribe with your notification bell on to receive all future uploads. Thank you so much. And this is me being fancy, straining up the veggie blend. If your blender blends good, go ahead and just pour it over. I guess because it's New Year, I'm kind of celebrating it in a style. Yes, so that goes in. And I'm being careful here not to rip up the fish, so I'll just stir it carefully and the mushrooms will follow. And now the okra goes in. I know I said I'm being fancy, but then I want to be typical here. I'm not boiling these okra separately. They are going right in the soup to infuse with the others. I've just added the green chilies as well. And look, what is fish soup without fufu? So this is what I'm doing on the other side. Now you know. So we will go over and check the soup. Look, fisherman's wife soup. Are you fine? Yeah? So this is what we have, and I'm serving it beautifully with the fufu. But come to think of it, growing up as a child, I wondered why my mom would cook fish soup every now and then. Because at the time, I didn't want to have nothing to do with fish soup. Now, as a grown up, I know better. It's one of the best soups you can have with your fufu. Give it a try, and thank you so much for stopping by. This is Owisu's Kitchen. It's always a pleasure to have you here. If you are a new subscriber, thank you so much. And if you are new stopping here, I hope you would consider to join us by subscribing. Until I come your way again with another delicious meal, take care and stay safe. Bye bye.